Mississippi, June 20, 2023. First and foremost, a heartfelt thank you goes to Chris Weather, who graciously shared this drone footage with me. Louin, Mississippi, experienced a destructive tornado around 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Sunday night, leaving a trail of significant damage in its wake. Homes in the area have been severely impacted, with widespread destruction evident. Trees have been uprooted, and power lines lie strewn across the landscape. Tragically, the tornado resulted in the loss of at least one life, and numerous individuals have sustained injuries as a result of the devastating twisters that tore through Mississippi. The tornadoes wreaked havoc across Rankin County and Jasper County, affecting multiple towns such as Louin, Bay Springs, and Tenneville. Governor Tate Reeves took to Twitter to express his concern and provide updates on the situation. Rankin County, which shares a border with the state capital of Jackson, bore the brunt of the damage. Search and rescue teams are working diligently to locate any survivors and evaluate the full extent of the destruction. In areas where fallen power lines make access by vehicle impossible, drones are being deployed to aid in these efforts. These tornadoes were part of a larger severe weather system that pounded the southeast, unleashing powerful thunderstorms and unleashing large hail. According to the Storm Prediction Center, preliminary reports suggest that 7 tornadoes touched down in Mississippi and Florida on Sunday. South Central Regional Medical Center in Laurel, Mississippi, situated approximately 45 minutes north of Louin, received 20 storm victims from the affected area. Tragically, one person lost their life as a result of the storm. Becky Collins, Vice President of Marketing and Community Relations at the medical center, stated that the remaining victims are in stable condition, with most already discharged. The hospital continues to provide critical medical care to those affected by the tornadoes. In the aftermath of the storm, over 49,000 homes in central Mississippi remain without power. The Mississippi Emergency Management Agency has deployed emergency crews to conduct search and rescue missions and assess the extent of the damage. Numerous homes have been severely damaged, and road closures are in effect across affected communities. To assist those displaced by the tornadoes, the Jasper County Community Center has been established as a temporary shelter. The Jasper County Sheriff's Department, in coordination with the Red Cross, is providing on-site support and assistance to those in need. The tornadoes have caused widespread devastation, resulting in loss of life, injuries, and substantial property damage. Efforts are now underway to recover and rebuild, as affected communities unite in support of one another during this challenging time. Thanks for watching the channel. World is Dangerous. See you in the next video.